Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the call recording is not working in your iPhone. So there is an easy fix for it, but before that, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. First of all, go to settings, then go to the bottom. You will find out apps or application. Click on this, then go down here, search for phone, click on phone. Then go down here, you will see in call section no call recording option. Now how you can enable it? For that, go back to settings, then go down here, click on journal, then go down here, search for language and region, click on this, then click on region, then go down here, search for United States, then click on United States and change to United States. Now after setting up the region to United States, go back to settings and go to the bottom. You will find out application apps. Click on this again, go to phone, click on phone, and now here you will see in call section call recording. Enable this option and your call recording will be enabled on your iPhone. And for more videos like this, must subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment down below. Have a good day.